Do you know there is a shark species? Its length was 60 feet and its weight was 50 tons. Okay. I will actually tell about this weight and most shark terrifying species in the world. It's the megalodon. So some of people in America and Africa or Antarctica know about this shark species, but even Sri Lanka knows this. Some people, not all. So we know about the shark species very well. So I'm going to tell about those who don't know about the shark species, and please don't go to beaches and just shock out if there's shark like this in the ocean. It's nowhere to be existed because it's it's a very old predator that existed 11 million years ago, before we even existed in this world. So before I start, don't forget to give a video and this like, and let me in the comments below actually what do you learn about this shark species, and share with your friends. Okay, so now let's start this video. So if you see a shark sign like the usual shark signs we see in other countries, just imagine there's a beach in Sri Lanka when there's a shark sign. So don't just freak out, there's a megalodon, then actually rush to your car and drive home. There's no chance they could exist now. So that's the thing. They have existed actually 11 million years ago. So it's nobody. Just if you have watched that movie of the megalodon, it's called, the title is The Meg. So if you watch that movie, you might see a megalodon actually in real life these modern days, but they are made of graphic like Jurassic World, those dinosaurs. They are not exactly real. They are made of graphics, like they are actually made from computers. In this modern technology we can make actually graphic. So the real dinosaurs or sharks, they have all actually gone extinct. And the megalodon was in its side. Now the dinosaurs went extinct actually when a meteoroid or asteroid whatever hit the Earth in America. So all of those dinosaurs died or gone extinct. But the megalodon did not go extinct after that big asteroid. It existed actually before the dinosaurs. So you might think, aha, now I know. It just existed before the dinosaurs. So it couldn't be actually gone extinct by that meteoroid or asteroid. So it went extinct because of that food and the coldness of the water. When megalodon was alive, it needed a very warm climate to live in. When that megalodon was hunting for years and years, the actual shark went extinct because we know the sharks most loving food is whales, because it's much larger than other predators, so it won't fill its stomach. So whales will fill its stomach because it's so big. Actually megalodon can eat any predator it like. It's just actually a little clumsy because it's 50-ton weight and length 60 feet, longer than a semi-truck. So it is longer than those trucks we see on the road. It's longer and bigger, but I don't know its actual height. So Actually, you need to walk over 20 seconds to cover its terrifying 60 feet length. So if you actually decided to go, you will go much slower. Then it will take almost a minute to complete your walk, because that's predator. It's so terrifying. You even will walk touching it very, very slowly and softly. If you just punch the shark like this, it will actually just, eat you. So the shark has do you know the animal who has the most actually powerful bite in the world? If you know it, let me know down in the comments. That's what I'm actually talking about now. It was the Megalodon. It had the world's most powerful bite force. That's why I say it was a very terrifying and ancient predator. So actually, if you see a shark sign, don't just freak out. I'm getting to that part now. So just don't freak out. It's the Megalodon. I told you it didn't exist now. It existed and it went extinct about 11 million years ago. So there's no chance of it still alive. But the alive shark, still in the modern days, we know this shark actually, it's pretty simple to survive even. It's the great white shark. It is a shark species, but it's much smaller than the Megalodon. If you encounter one, don't freak out, it's the Megalodon. It is the great white shark. Just if you are an expert of diving or training to go underwater, you know every shark species and the survival tips. Even I can't even survive. Just imagine a Megalodon is still alive. Just I say it's not alive. Just imagine. So if you went to if you see a shark sign, now we know when we see shark signs, those without words like the Megalodon, it is the great white shark. So if there's a Megalodon, the sign will be much bigger, and even the shark picture also, even they will underwrite the Megalodon. Say I have ignored that. They say, there's no way that the Megalodon is still existing. Just imagine I'm saying like that and going to the water. Then if you encounter in real life, you won't be able to survive, because even if you actually know those tips how to survive, actually then if you're at home, you don't actually know about that shark species, but you have known the survival tips, all of them, but you will say at home, I know that Megalodon species, I know how to survive it. But when you go encounter one, you won't be able to. You will forget all of that and actually just swim towards the shore and go. It will just eat you. So if you see a shark sign, I'm just kidding off. It's still alive. I just imagine that. I said to you to imagine that. So that's why. But there's no chance they are still alive. Even when I watched I studied that shark the first time, I just freaked out. It just actually was actually here in real life. But it was actually not existing at all these days. So it's good. And if you see a shark sign, that means the great white shark is there. But you don't need to freak out with that shark. We can even not kill it. There will be a very, very, very bad thing of the shark, actually the food chain of the oceans. If sharks disappeared, the ocean's food chain will actually become very worse and it will fall apart. Because of if sharks are existing, it gives the most oxygen to us. Do you know how? Sharks feed on photoplankton, and photoplankton is the main thing that gives us oxygen, and we still exist because of photoplankton, because it gives us oxygen all to breathe. So if sharks disappeared, actually those photoplankton, actually fish eat photoplankton, so if photoplankton also disappeared, there won't be enough oxygen for all of us to breathe. So we will suffocate, and actually we will even, die. So if sharks are still alive, it will that sharks eat fish, and fish actually eat photoplankton. So the photoplankton will be saved because fish munch on those tiny things now. Actually, we can't see those. Even if you look inside the ocean, you can't see those. Like, where is photoplankton? Where is photoplankton? I can't see this thing. If you try with all your eye power to see it, even when you're little, you can't do it. Even an adult can't. It's unnoticed because we don't know where it is now. That's why the ocean water is so salty when you go. Now, we are talking about the megalodon. It is a very, very, very ancient predator. If you've seen those movies, don't just freak out. The Yenu is saying actually just nothing. It's just false. But when I watch movies, they're just real in human life. No, you just think like that. So just don't freak out if you just think like that. Those sharks and dinosaurs like in Jurassic World are made using graphics. Graphics is actually made by humans by computers. So don't think those dinosaurs, shark species and megalodon are still alive. There's no chance. They've gone extinct. Only the great white shark is paying attention to the human life and modern aviation. So if you go to National Geographic, you can study about megalodon. But if you need to know the survival tips, if you know a channel about that, let me know in the comments. Actually, so you can watch those actually but you don't need to watch those. It just exist actually. So you can actually look about that great white shark I just mentioned about you earlier. It's the largest of the species, can grow up to 20 feet long, and actually its weight, I didn't remember the weight, but I know its length was 20 feet. Actually the megalodon is actually doubled that much, and actually the world's most heaviest and most heaviest thing in land is the Antonov AN-22. It's a cargo aircraft. It is a plane. Its weight is double that of the megalodon. So, but I don't know its actual weight. But I know it's the world's most weightiest and most heaviest aircraft in history in aviation. But the greatest aviation mystery, actually, I will talk about that in another video. That is another one. I won't tell you that. I will show you in another video about this. So, about another one. So about the plane, and the world's most plane, the largest passenger aircraft is the Airbus A380. It is also not the weight of the megalodon, even heavier. Even the Boeing 747 actually. I talked about that aircraft a few days ago, no? So that aircraft is actually Boeing's most tallest aircraft. So it couldn't break the record by Airbus. It performed the A380 because the Boeing 747 was built in the 90s. No, the Airbus A380 was in the 2000s. No, that's why. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Give it a like and share with your friends, and leave in the comments below what you learned about this video, and bye.